Let's have today's market breakdown starting from daily time frame as well as other days. We can clearly see that price has been moving bearish over the last I don't know how long, but we do had this fairly gap and it was trying to push above, ended up creating this order block, but at the same time we can see clearly that today, starting from the beginning of the day, it has been moving bearish very aggressively. So I would like to call this one as the fairly gap from which it is reacting. And if I take a look at the H4, we can clearly see that price has been disrespecting the bullish area and fairly gap as well. At the same time, it is also creating the bearish zone. So first zone is we do have above here. According to that, if I have to mark any target area, then I would like to find this one as a target area, or you can say the 50% of that zone. Now if I take a look at the H1, first of all, overall direction for today is going to be bearish. Now if I take a look at H1, so we do have this order block which is very much likely to react from today. I mean, it seems very clear to me. We do have this fairly gap and the whole order block from which we are pretty much going to target. First one is going to be this one, and if this one get broken, then I would like to see the next area is this one. So yeah, these are a couple of clear target for today, and we do have the zone as well. Now let's take a look at the M15, and overall just seems like last couple of hours it has been ranging in this area almost like 2 hours, but still, since high time frame is bearish, I would like to look for any type of liquidity or manipulation and then market structure shift toward bearishness as I have marked before. So first of all, what I want to see is price moving at this area which is very high likely and then react bearish. That is where I would like to move in lower time frame and get any type of confirmation from there on. And if that's not the case, I would like to see price moving bearish first of all and then have any type of confirmation so that I can go as well. Or let's say it move here without giving any type of confirmation, so it would be more like a less probability for me. I would like to stay away from if that's the case. On the other note, if price move bullish and break above this area, or let's say M15 move heavily bullish while creating bullish area, then I would like to see those bullish area getting disrespected and then moving bearish. So that's pretty much it for today in NQ. And on the side note, I am in short in EU and it doesn't really looking good. Still, let's see how this one turn out. At the same time, the XU is pretty much bullish. It has been from the morning, and yeah, let's see. Let's go with today's review, or let's see preview. So as I have said before, my plan was to move bearish because everything was bearish, and then H1 ended up being bullish while breaking above this area. And so when price were at this one, I was watching at M1 and we're thinking that price has to move toward bullish order block first, and for that to happen it has to move bearish. So yeah, price create couple of bearish order flow and I had executed immediately. Like, this is the one and this is the second one. I have executed here while putting my SL above, and TP, it was at first 1 is to 1, I would say. Price move all the way here and then tried to push toward upside, and since it was moving from this order block, so I decided to close it here on this one. Price went bullish while breaking above this one, and I was like, okay, we are right now pushing bullish, so execute in bullish area again, and got fucked as well. And I went off from the market after taking 2L already. I don't want to be taking more than that. So what happened later is pretty obvious. Then price create this engulfing candle on M5, reacting from this order block again on M5. Usually after engulfing candle, what I tend to do is look for a retest and continuation. So that's what happened in here. Move bullish, retest in this order block, and then move bullish again. This is where I would have been executed if I was live, or let's say if I haven't taken any losses. And this would have been my entry while putting my SL below. TP goes here. Yeah, that's how it went. I broke my plan at the beginning without having any type of confirmation. I totally went against everything, and that's how it went yesterday. Also took another L in EU, which was, I don't know how to say it. Find out everything was good and took this trade. Fucked. Get fucked.